We're gonna get this bed together.
Do you guys want any Gatorade?
Gator will be amazing, thank you.
What kind of dog?
Excuse me, bud.
She's a Shepherd Jack Russell mix. Come here. Hey, Fuji, come.
All right.
What's up?
What do you want to grab them? Slats. Can I get some assistance in here, please? One second. You grab another guy. Help me out with this. Hey, buddy, give me a hand for a second. Get these slots in real quick. Lift up one end of it. Find some.
Is there a TV in there?
I think this is ours. This is Tyler.
Oh,
Hold it up. So basically, the cloth goes up. So let's pick up the whole thing. Pick it up from the bottom. All the way to the bottom. Huh? There you go. Go around. Set that down easy right there. Pick this one up. Open it up. Set it down right there. Come back over here. Set down. This one goes here.
yeah, this is.
Fix these. Let's go back a little bit. Just gotta go over the top here. Lift up over it. Where are the screws?
Now we have one sticking up here. We have to do something with that.
Here you go. Go ahead and grab that in. I got it. I'll take care of it. Go ahead and grab those screws out of the box. You want
Where's the back?
some of the box? Well, I flip these the other way around, the fabric side down, what do you think?
Need it in?
Yeah, just get the screws, we're gonna have to flip this, this is the wrong way, it's
Instead of
upside down.
there,
So
instead of
these
here,
have to
we're
be
gonna
flipped the
go
other way.
here.
I'm gonna help you
But
with
if
it.
you can't do anything, then he
Is he
can
grabbing
just
the
go around
screws?
forward, you can, yeah.
We're actually over here by your
Yeah,
back.
you can uncord and you can
Yeah.
Put it right over the board right
Put it
here.
in here, then,
Yeah.
so they can finish up the work. And then you can uncord and you can-
Do you guys have a long cord ready to put on the wall?
You see what happened with this double ceiling? There is no way to drop it because
Screws are over there, I think.
look at the this cathedral ceiling and they got spots in there in the middle.
Yeah.
The vibrates. There's no way to get it from the roof.
What we're gonna have to do, Captain, is we're gonna
Happy packing,
You're
doing
gonna
bed
have-
assembly,
your
take one.
dresser anyway,
Yeah.
right? And my dresser.
Screws here?
You run it around behind and then take it up through the wall and.
Those are for the front.
Nah, you
You
can
put those in
you
the
can
front.
take it only the like outlet right underneath and then hide it behind inside
Yeah,
the wall and
yeah.
then mount it in there. It's just gonna be visible right in the bottom, but then you have stresses on top of that that's gonna cover it, right?
Who's
Well,
up?
yeah, but just leave it here, because I think I made this over here for now, yeah.
Yeah.
Even if this doesn't fit, I don't want a lot of wires.
So we've got the pads on the feet for the bed, so we'll move it for you, okay?
Yeah, I think for right now, I'm gonna leave it, I think I'm gonna change my mind again.
All right.
Because he can't move the cable.
If he needs to move it, we can go, just so you know. Pads are on, so get that screw. Awesome. So we'll get the mattress on here. And then we have felt pads on the bed itself. So if you need to move the bed later or you decide you want to move the bed later, you can do that. That's a huge convenience. You don't have to take the whole thing apart again. Kenny, you want some screws? I got some more over here.
I got some right now.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Why don't you go see, do me a favor and take the camera from him so he can finish that piano and you can just follow him with the camera.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Tim, do it 5
Check the
minutes.
shirt out right there. You know.
The kitchen table. Leave a pad down to lay the table down on, and then we'll assemble the legs back on the table. Yeah, that's a good choice. Very good choice.
Good job, fellas. What's missing here on the piano?
Deck is assembled, music guide is assembled, hinges are assembled, feet are assembled with cushion pads provided by Happy Pack. We are about to assemble the top, speaker cover, and the piano top legs.
This is for the baby, I guess.
That should go in there.
Where's this going?
That's going in the master. Thanks.
Need help, just let us know.
The man right there.
Absolutely.
So you go to the better one?
Go.
We go to the better one?
No, we're gonna leave it as is. Just
Okay.
keep flowing.
Okay.
We're gonna take a break in a few minutes here. Get hydrated.
Freshly wrapped, making sure everything is moved and not damaged there for you.
Sure. It's a heavy little stool. Can I scoot around you there, Mark?
You sure can.
Sure, sir. I'm assuming the Yamaha faces this way, correct?
Yes.
Okay. I'll get the felt pads for those legs.
You know what, too, Danny? We're gonna put a fourth one under the kickstand for the foot pedals.
Okay.
There's an adjustable peg under the middle.
Okay.
Because we're elevated on our other three,
Okay.
we're gonna need an elevation pad for our number 4. Probably an extension cord to reach the outlet. Even after we push it in, I think we're still gonna need one.
I have this big pad here, Mark.
Perfect, yes. That would do
So
perfect.
you just
That
give
center
me the
is
glide down on the elevation.
good 2.5 inches. That's perfect. When we put it in place,
Yes, sir.
we'll adjust that elevation stripe pad right there down,
Okay.
so it keeps it stable.
Yes, sir. So yeah, basically, these little felt pads are great for tile floors or for wood floors. Whenever we move your stuff in, we always love to just give these away for free. Save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars worth of damage to your new floors. Real simple, easy, little extra thing that we do, but it matters so much to our clients. We really appreciate it when they got 1,000 other things that they're worried about and thinking about doing while they're moving in. In our mind's eye, with Happy Packing, it's the little things that count. And that's why people use us. We're personable, we have good attitudes, and we treat your stuff like we treat our own. All right, happy packing out.
Looking good.